In this video we will go over some of the solid editing tools available in LusoCAD, specifically the face editing. Here we have some cubes on which we will try the face editing. All of them have a size of 100 by 100. First we will try the extrude face option. With this tool we will be able to extrude one of the planar faces in whichever direction and length we input. Just select the face and the height of extrusion. We can see that this tool also lets us input a taper angle. This angle will change the degree of tapering of the extrusion. Let's try it with 20 degrees, which produces this sharp geometry. Similarly, the taper tool lets us select a taper angle for a face without any extrusion, keeping the original height and length. Just select the face and taper angle. Next up is Move Face, which can be useful for changing the placement of planar faces. Again, select the face and distance. Copy Face is different, as we can see that only the face is duplicated and placed on the desired distance, completely detached from the original object. Offset Face is similar to the extrude tool but works like the 2D offset tool, letting us extend the face by a desired distance. We can also rotate faces using the Rotate tool. In this example we will rotate this rectangular face, tilting it downwards. You can also see that since we are rotating the top face, the side and bottom faces are changed too. Here we can also see the rotation tool in action, this time rotating a vertical face. And finally, we can color the faces using the Color Faces tool, which is useful for organization and identifying important elements in the drawing.